And there's Jules.
I look like a crazy homeless woman thing.
Don't worry, you always look like that.
Oh, thank you.
So we were in the middle of making our acai bowls and we realized we have no bananas. Well, I mean, I guess we can use something else instead of a banana. Okay, we're gonna go find a banana. So we only have green bananas. What the hell?
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We have no strawberries either. Isn't this great? I guess we're just gonna give up on this acai thing. Let's just make some fucking bagels. So we gave up on this whole breakfast thing. It's literally turning into a mess. We have no cheese bagels. We have no bananas. But anyways, we're just gonna drink our protein shakes.
This thing doesn't taste that good.
I know. It's the protein shake.
I'm dying. Uh-oh, I dropped my protein shake. It's alright. That's your car.
Wow. So we literally, oh my god, my hair again. See, this is what happens when you're me. Okay, well, anyways. Well, that's a very artsy tree, guys. Ouch! Oh! Ow!
We're almost there. I don't really know where we are, but it's honestly so hot and I feel like I'm gonna die.
Time to jump in. This is really refreshing. It feels so
super
good.
Cold.
It feels so good though.
I don't know.
So this was a very fun adventure. And now we're just exploring a little bit more. Oh my god, this mud is like quicksand, Jules.
I know.
See you guys back at my house. So now we're back at my house and we're gonna go down to Paia Bay. Yeah, we have. Oh! Yeah. Just dropped on my head. But we're gonna go skim. See you there.
So today was super fun. We're gonna have new videos up every single day. So comment in the comment section below what we should post videos of, what we should do in our videos. I don't know, just anything. So stay tuned.
Tried to braid my hair. That didn't work.